Hello everyone. In the last class we have seen first 3 pages of Bhashapraveshaha Part1 textbook, right? And today we are going to see the next 3 pages. Now I am starting with the page number 4. See this is the page number 4. And this exercise you need to fill. They have given one example they have given, and you need to fill the rest of the examples. Let's see the first example. Yesha mala. Mala means garland. Yesha means this. Strilinga this. So since garland is a strilinga, that means female, that's why we need to use the strilinga form. Yesha is the strilinga form. If it is a pullinga, that means male, then we will use yeshaha. This male. Here this is this female. Garland is a female. So that's why we need to use yesha. And yesha mala means one garland. And if it is a dual, two garlands, these two garlands, how we will say? Yete male. So since it is a two garlands, this is the dual form we need to use. Yete is the dual form of yetat shabda, and male is the dual form of mala shabda. And if it is a multiple garlands, more than two garlands, then we will use the plural form. The plural form of yesha shabda is yetaha, and the plural form of mala is malaha. How we can able to find this dual form and plural form? That I have already shown you in the last class. I'll repeat it once again. Go to Google and open sanskritabhyas.in. You can just, I'll show you once again. Go to Google and type sanskritabhyas.in. This is the web page. And here, click on the search button. In the bottom, you can able to see the search button, right? Last line, middle one. Click on the search button and type mala. Mala, if you can type, and click on search icon. Now you can able to see the mala shabda forms. See this, and just consider only pradhama vibhakti. Only this pradhama vibhakti you can consider. Since we have just started, right? Going forward, we can able to see all this dvitiya vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti, etc. All these forms right now you no need to worry. Just concentrate on pradhama vibhakti. Pradhama vibhakti means noun form. Now we need only noun forms, right? For the mala shabda, we need a dual form and plural form. So consider only this. Mala, male, malaha. These things note down in a separate paper, and then again go back to this textbook. Go back here, and then you need to fill this example. See this? Mala, male, malaha. And we already know the forms of yesha shabda, right? Yesha, yete, yetaha. The same thing. You can search yesha in that website. You will able to see this yete, yetaha in the pradhama vibhakti. That's it. So like this, you need to fill all these examples. I'll just give you the answers. You just take a snapshot and you search each and every shabda in the website, and then just cross check with my answers. The first example is Yesha Vaidya. This is the singular form. Its dual form is Yete Vaidye. Plural form is Yetaha Vaidyaha. Here, if you can notice, in each and every example, Yesha, ete, etaha. These things won't change. Only your noun forms, Vaidya, Bhakta, Balika, these things will change, right? Why? Because this this one godland, these two godlands, these multiple godlands, this and these, it won't change, right? It will remain same in each and every example. Only Vaidya, Bhakta, that means a doctor, devotee, and these things will change. So you can just mention Yesha, Ete, Etaha in each and every form, and then you can just search Vaidya, Bhakta, Balika in the website and note down the forms and add it here. It's very simple. Now I'll give you the answers. Just concentrate on the left hand side. Vaidya, Vaidye, Vaidyaha. These things you can search in the Sanskrit abhyas.in. This example they have already given. And then next example is Bhakta, Bhakte, Bhaktaha. This is the answer. And Yesha, Ete, Etaha remains same in each and every example. And the next example is they have given Balike. Dual form they have given. They have given dual form and you need to write singular form and plural form. The same thing, you can search Balike in that search button. You will able to see singular form, dual form and plural form. There is nothing to worry in this examples. This is a very simple exercise. And coming to the next example, they have given plural form. They have given Lataha, Yetaha, Lataha, and you need to write singular form and dual form. So you can just search Lataha in the search button of that website sanskritabhyas.in and you can able to see these forms Lata, Late, Lataha. Moving to the next example, and they have already given this example, you no need to fill anything here. Gatihi, Gati, Gatayaha. And next example, they have given singular form. Vyaktihi they have given. You need to fill dual form and plural form. Vyakti, Vyaktayaha. And the next one is they have given dual form, Kruti. And its singular form is Krutihi. Its plural form is Krutayaha. For all these things, Yesha, Ete, Etaha remains same. Why? Because Yesha means one, that means singular, and Ete means dual, two godlands. One godland, two godlands, multiple godlands. One devotee, two devotees, multiple devotees. Like this. So left hand side is done. Now moving to the right hand side. See this? This is the right hand side. Here, sa, te, taha means that. This means yesha, ete, etaha. That, how we can denote? We need to use sa. That river, that bottle, those two bottles, all those rivers. For that, to denote that and those, we need to use sa. Same thing, you can search in sanskritabhyas.in sa. Then you will get these results. Let me show you once again. Again go back to sanskritabhyas.in and click on the bottom search button and just type sa. You got the result here. Click on this Strilinga, right? Strilinga Pradama. Here you need to note down these things. Sa, te, taha. Here there is a print mistake is there. I'll show you one more website, ashtadhyayi.com. If you can open ashtadhyayi.com Shabdapata. This is the ashtadhyayi.com website. Here you can able to see Shabdapata, right? Click on the Shabdapata. Here click on search with Sa. Here you can able to see this, right? First result. Click on this. Now you can able to see the Pradhama Vibhakti. Sa, Te, Taha. This is the Pradhama Vibhakti. Pradhama Vibhakti, and ignore Dvitiya, Tritiya, etc. Just concentrate only on Pradhama Vibhakti. Sa, Te, Taha. These three note down in a paper. Again go back to the exercise. And again search the next one, that is Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. In the right hand side, first example is Nadi. If you can search with Nadi, you will get these forms, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. And all the other examples remain same. Like this Sa, Te, Taha won't change. That one river, those two rivers, all those rivers. Dual form and plural form. So, Sa, Te, Taha won't change. It remains same for all the examples. Only this Nadi, Kupi, Denuhu, Rajjuhu, Mata, these things will change. For these Shabdas, you need to search in the search button and then you need to get the results. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, Kupi, Kupyau, Kupyaha, Suchi, Sucyau, Sucyah, Janani, Jananyau, Jananyaha, Denuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha, Rajjuhu, Rajju, Rajjavaha, Mata, Matarau, Matarau, Mataraha. These are the answers for these examples. Each and every Shabda you need to search in 2 websites. What is that websites? I'll write in a notepad. Just note down these 2 websites. It will be easy for you. ashtadhyayi.com and sanskritabhyas.in. These are the 2 websites. Mainly concentrate on ashtadhyayi.com. It gives perfect results. Ashtadhyayi.com gives perfect results and sanskritabhyas.in might give incorrect results sometimes. So, majorly prioritize ashtadhyayi.com website. If it is very slow or if you have some issue in searching, then only you can go for a sanskritabhyas.in. Okay, these are the 2 websites where you need to search those Shabdas to get a dual form and plural form. So, this exercise is done. In the page number 4, first part is done. Like the same way, if you can see the second half of page number 4, the same thing. Here this is a Napunsakalinga. Till now we have seen Pullinga, we have seen Strilinga, we have seen. There is male gender and female gender. Now this is the neuter gender. For neuter gender, how we can call etat, ete, etani, neuter gender. So these things you need to search the similar way. Phalam Shabda, you need to go to that sanskritabhyas.in or ashtadhyayi.com and click on the search button and give this phalam. And then you will get phalam, phale, phalani. Copy and paste here. This etat, ete, etani, they have only given it. You no need to search also. Just copy paste. You can just copy paste etat, ete, etani, and then only these shabdas you can search. The shabdas like phalam means fruit, chakram means wheel, pustakam means book, yanam means vehicle, mukham means face, nagaram means town. Only these shabdas you can search in the search button of in that websites. You will able to see these forms and copy paste this etat, ete, etani. So it is done. That means this one flower, etat pushpam, this one flower, ete pushpe, these two flowers, etani pushpani, all these flowers. So this one, these two, all these. This remains same. Etat, ete, etani remains same. Only phalam, phale, phalani, chakram, chakre, chakrani, these shabdas will change. So left hand side is done. Now moving to the right hand side. Right hand side, what is there? Tat nakshatram means that. That one star. Te nakshatre, those two stars. Tani nakshatrani, all those stars. That one, those two, those all. Tat, te, tani. It remains same for all these examples. Tat, te, tani remains same. And what will change? These shabdas will change. Nakshatram, nakshatre, nakshatrani. I am just giving the answers. You need to search each and every shabda in that website and you need to get the forms and fill it. Finally, you can just cross check my answers with your answers. Tat upanetram, te upanetre, tani upanetrani. Upanetram means spectacles, glasses. Tat padnam, that one leaf. Te padne, those two leaves. Tani padnani, all those leaves. Like the same way, you need to fill the rest of the examples. Vari, varini, varini. Dadi, dadini, dadini. Dadi means curd. Vastu means object or a thing. Vastu, vastuni, vastuni. So these are the answers for the page number 4. So page number 4, in the page number 4 what we have seen? Strilinga of this and that and Napunsakalinga, that means neuter gender. Male and female we have seen. And moving to the next page, page number 5. See here, they have only given you the forms. Like see this, all these are the Pullinga forms, that means male gender. What are the male gender? Balakaha means boy. Boy is a male gender, right? Kavihi, poet. Poet is a male gender. Guruhu, male gender, teacher. Pita, father, male gender. So all these are the male gender forms. They have only given you. You no need to go to that ashtadhyayi.com or sanskritabhyas.in and then search. They have only given you. Pradama Vibhakti forms: singular form, dual form, and plural form. Let me read out for you. Balakaha, balakau, balakaha, kavihi, kavi, kavayaha, guruhu, guru, guravaha, pita, pitarau, pitaraha. All these are the male gender, that means Pullinga forms. Now let's see the Strilinga forms. These are the Strilinga forms. Balika, a girl. Girl is a female gender. Matihi, mind. Nadi, river. Dhenuhu, cow. Vaduhu, bride. Mata, mom, mother. And what are the forms for these Strilinga forms? Strilinga Shabdas: Balika, Balike, Balikaha, Matihi, Mati, Matayaha, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, Denuhu, Denu, Denavaha, Vaduhu, Vadvau, Vadvaha, Mata, Matarau, Mataraha. So all these forms you can just by heart. These are very important forms. All these forms you need to by heart it. There is no other option for you. Why? Because since this is just a Pradama Vibhakti, case 1. If you go forward, you will be able to learn 7 Vibhaktis in total. This is just a Pradama Vibhakti, first Vibhakti. So if you have a strong foundation skills, then only you can able to easily grasp Sanskrit concepts. If you can skip, if you don't by heart all these things, it will be very difficult for you. So by heart all these forms, and going forward it will be very easy for you, and you will feel like Sanskrit is very easy, and you don't struggle a lot to learn all the Sanskrit concepts. So by heart all these things. Now moving to the next Napunsakalinga, neuter gender Shabdas. These are the neuter gender Shabdas. Vanam, Vanam means forest. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Vari, Varini, Varini. Vastu, object. Vastu, Vastuni, Vastuni. All these are the Shabdas. So you no need to go and search in the website. So just by heart all these things, and moving forward. See this second part, second half of page number 5. They have given you Yesha, Etau, Ete. You know, right? Yeshaha means this. Saha Taute means that. Yeshaha means this. Saha means that. So all these male gender, female gender, neuter gender forms they have given for this and that. Let me show you in detail. See this first line. Yeshaha, etau, ete. This is a this. Singular, dual and plural forms. Left hand side is this. Right hand side is that. And first line is male gender, second line is female gender, last line is neuter gender. So male gender of this is Yeshaha, Etau, Ete. Female gender forms of this Yesha, Ete, Etaha. Neuter gender forms of this Etat, Ete, Etani. And coming to the right hand side means that. That male gender forms Saha, Taute. Male gender female forms I'll repeat it once again. In the right hand side, male gender of that, saha tau te. Female gender of that, sa te taha. Neuter gender of that, tat te tani. So left hand side is this, right hand side is that. First line is male, second line is female, last line is neuter gender. Based on this, you need to fill this exercise. And they have given you few shabdas. See the first line, nartakyaha, a dancer. Geetam, song. Abharanani, jewelry. Speech, upanyasaha. Janabhasha, people's voice. Patre, patre, vessel. Kupyaha, brass. Mapika, scale. Prakoshtau, room. Kantaha, throat. Gulika, tablet. Tala, melody. Snusha, daughter-in-law. Kapayaha, ape. Like this, we have all these multiple shabdas they have given. What you need to do? You just need to take the, you need to know the gender. What exactly is the gender? For example, let's say they have given one example. Eshaha upanyasaha. This fourth example is there, right? Upanyasaha. What is upanyasaha? Means speech. What is its gender? Male gender. So, if you know the gender, then it is easy for you to write the sentence, right? Male gender singular. Upanyasaha means singular. What is the singular form of male gender? You can just pick this or that. This or that singular form. For example, let's say Eshaha. Eshaha means singular form of this. Now we need to create a sentence. This speech. This one speech. So we just need to club both of these. Eshaha, upanyasaha. It becomes this one speech. This speech. So if you know the gender, it is easy for you to gather both shabdas and create a sentence, right? If you don't know the gender of upanyasaha, then which word you will add it, which form you will add it, whether singular or dual or plural or this or that or male or female, which one you will add it. If you have a deep clarity of that shabda's gender, then only you will add it, right? Otherwise you can't able to do it. You will do multiple mistakes. So first know the gender. Now I'll show you how to know the gender. For example, let's say this word upanyasaha. How to search the gender? Again go back to Google. Now just type upanyasaha in the search button. Go to Ashtadhyayi. If you type Ashtadhyayi in Google, you will able to see this website. In this website, go to Shabda Pataha. Shabda means word. Shabda Pataha. If you click on this, you will be able to see this search button. Now here in this search button, type upanyasaha. I hope you all know how to type in Sanskrit in your mobile or tablet or laptop, whatever it may be. Upanyasaha. If if you type Upanyasaha and search, you will be able to see this result, right? Just click on this result. Now see this, you got the result, all the Vibhakti forms. What is a Pradhama Vibhakti form? What is a Dvitiya Vibhakti form? All these things you got, right? And which linga is this? That means which gender? That also you know. I'll show you how to find it. See this, Upanyasaha, Pullinga Shabda. That means it is a male gender. You need to know gender, then only you can know, you will fill it, right? Otherwise it is difficult for you to do that exercise. So its linga is, its gender is male gender, Pullinga. And what are the primary Pradhama Vibhakti forms? Upanyasaha, Upanyasau, Upanyasaha. One speech, two speeches, multiple speeches. So you need to know the gender, which is a male gender here, and Upanyasaha, Upanyasau, Upanyasaha is the Pradhama Vibhakti forms. Once you know these things, again note it down in a paper. Again go back to the exercise. See this? Now Upanyasaha is a singular, right? We have noted down already. Upanyasaha, Upanyasau, Upanyasaha. In that, singular is Upanyasaha. Now you know that Upanyasaha is a singular Pradhama Vibhakti, male gender. Now what you need? You need a Pradhama Vibhakti, male gender. You can write this or that. Yeshaha means this, Saha means that. Right hand side or left hand side, anything you can pick. But what you need to pick? Male gender you need to pick. Male gender singular you need to pick. So what is the male gender singular here? Yeshaha is the male gender singular of this. What is the male gender singular of that? Saha. So anything you can write. Yeshaha Upanyasaha or Saha Upanyasaha. That's it. So you got the sentence. I'll give you one more example. See this? Guruhu. Just take this shabda. I'm just randomly picking up. Guruhu. You need to know the gender of this Guruhu and what are the Pradhama Vibhakti forms of Guruhu. Right? If you see, once you see this shabda, just go back here. They have already given you few examples, right? You no need to go and search in the website. First check here. If you are unable to find, then only go to the website and search. See where is the Guru here? You got here, right? The third one. Guru, who is the Pullinga Shabda. That means masculine, male gender. Guru, who? Guru, Guravaha. One teacher, two teachers, multiple teachers. And it's a male teacher, right? So, note down these forms. Again, go back to your exercise. Now, you got Guru, who is the singular form of male gender. Now, what you need to fill to create a sentence? You need male gender singular form. Yeshaha or Saha. This or that. Both are male, right? Both are male and singular. Yeshaha or Saha, anything you can pick. So, what we are picking here? I have picked this one teacher. This one teacher, Yeshaha Guruhu. I have picked it. If you want, you can write as that one teacher. Saha Guruhu. You can write. Now, as per these examples which I have shown you, you need to search for each and every shabda. What are the shabdas? Here everything is there, right? Nartakyaha, Geetam, Abharanani, Upanyasaha, Janabhasha. Each and every shabda you need to search and you need to fill this form, fill this exercise. You don't have any other option. You need to find out each and every shabda manually. First check in this table whether this shabda is available here or not. If yes, pick it and fill it. If not, go to website and search each and every shabda and get the forms. Now I'll just give you the answers. एषः उपन्यासः, एताः नर्तक्यः, एतानि आभरणानि, एषा जनभाषा, एते पात्रे, एताः कूप्यः, एते मापिके, एतौ प्रकोष्ठौ, एषः कण्ठः, एताः गुलिकाः, एते तालाः, एषा स्नुषा, एते कपयः, एते सेवकाः, एषः गुरुः. All these are the answers for page number 4. Page number 5. So in page number 5, what we have seen? We have already got a table of shabdas and its gender and singular or dual or plural. Everything you got vachana and linga. And after this, what you did? You have seen this exercise and you searched whether all these shabdas are available in this table or not. If it is available, you have just picked the forms and filled here. And if you did not get a gender here, you went to website sanskritabhyas.in or ashtadhyayi.com and you have went there and you got the forms and you have filled this exercise. So page number 5 is done. Now let's move to the page number 6. In page number 6, see this. Till now we have seen this and that, right? This one garland, these two garlands, all these garlands, that one elephant, those two elephants, those multiple elephants. This and that forms we have seen. Now what we are trying to see? We are trying to see how and what. How or what. That notation is, declination is kaha kau ke. Kaha kau ke means how or what. If you want to ask how it happened and what exactly happened, you will use these forms. Kaha kau ke. Kaha kau ke is male gender, singular, dual and plural form. Ka ke kaha is female gender of how or what. And kim ke kani is the neuter gender. Male gender, female gender, neuter gender of how or what. And here the same practice, however you practiced in the male gender and female gender exercise of this and that, right? So like the same way here for how or what, also you need to do the same. For all these shabdas, you need to get the forms and gender. If you know the form and gender of these shabdas, you can just pick here. This thing you will pick and you will create a sentence. I'll give you one example. See this? They have given you these two separately, right? K Viraha. Now you need to know what is Viraha, what its gender, and whether it is singular or dual or plural form. Which form is this? If you know the gender and form, gender and vachanam, then it is very easy for you to create a sentence, right? Viraha. What you need to do? Viraha, you need to go to that website again. Go back here, ashtadhyayi.com or sanskritabhyas.in. Go back to this website. It will be very slow sometimes. You need to take lot of time. You need to have patience. Go to this website, click on the search button and search with Viraha. If you search this Viraha, you will get it's a male gender. Male gender plural form is Viraha. So you need male and plural form. Now again go back here. Male, this is the male gender forms, right? Male, female, neuter. So what is the male gender plural form? K. Kaha kau ke, right? K is the plural form of male gender. So you need to add K Viraha. See, you have written K Viraha. That means all these heroes. Veera means hero. So this sentence is done. Now I'll give you one more example. Denuhu. Denuhu means cow. Whether cow is a male or female? Cow is a female, right? So one cow, one female cow means this is a singular form of female gender. So you need a pronoun of which satisfies female gender singular form. Here kaha kau ke is the male gender, ka ke kahe is the female gender. Now you need a singular female gender. Ka, you need ka. So you just come here and add ka with denuhu. So you got a sentence. The one cow. So one cow is the answer. Like this you need to search gender and vachanam. Vachanam means singular, dual or plural. You need to search gender and vachanam for each and every shabda and create a sentence. So that's it. This is what about page number 6. So I'll just give you the answers. You can just try search each and every shabda's gender and vachanam and fill the form, and finally check your answers whether you are right or not. Answers I am giving you now. K Viraha, Ka Denuhu, K Sutrani, Kaha Mayuraha, K Lekhakaha, Kim Nagaram, Ka Buddhihi, Kaha Sarpaha, Ka Lekhani, Kaha Kunchikaha, Kani Vyajanani. So this is about how and what forms of each and every shabda. How or what. We will use these things. Kaha kau ke, ka ke kaha, kim ke kani. So on the examples also we have seen for which hero, which cow, which sutra, which peacock. For that we will use kaha kau ke, ka ke kaha, kim ke kani. What or how. So this exercise is done. So this is what for today. In the next class we will see the 7th to 9th pages of Bhashapraveshaha book. Thank you all for joining. We'll meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye.